Most traders say Supertrend is too slow. I tuned the settings, added one filter, backtested 8 crypto pairs across 6 years, and turned $1,000 into $26,000. The strategy is built around 2 ideas. First, direction. We use the Supertrend indicator with a length of 8 and a multiplier of 4.0. When price flips above the Supertrend line, that's a long signal. When it flips below, that's a short signal. One indicator, both directions. Second, a filter so we don't fight the bigger trend. We only take the long signal if price is above the 200-period EMA. We only take the short signal if price is below it. That's the entire entry logic. A trend flip on tuned settings, confirmed by where price sits relative to the macro trend. Now here's the part most people get wrong with trend-following strategies. The exit. There's no take-profit target here, no close at 5%. The trade rides until the Supertrend flips back against it. If you're long and the trend turns down, you're out. The only other way out is a safety net, an ATR-based stop loss, set at 1.5 times the average true range below entry for longs. That's not the primary exit, it's just there in case price moves hard before the Supertrend has a chance to react. I tested this on Freqtrade with the following setup. Exchange, Binance Futures, because this strategy needs both long and short access. Pairs, 8 of the highest market cap coins, BTC, ETH, SOL, and 5 others. Timeframe, 4-hour candles. Time range, May 2020 to June 2026, just over 6 years. Max open trades, 8, 1 slot per pair. Here's what 1 set of rules and 6 years of data produced. 783 trades total. Win rate, 34.5%. That number looks low until you see the profit factor, 2.00. Wins are worth roughly twice as much as losses cost. Max drawdown, 11%. Total return, 2,529%. $1,000 became just over $26,000. Buy and hold across the same 8 pairs over the same period returned 1,489%. 358 long trades produced about 1,635% of that profit. 425 short trades produced roughly 894%. Both sides were profitable on their own. Neither one was just along for the ride. If you want to test this yourself, the full strategy code is available in the description below. Before going live with real capital, I'd recommend at least 2 months of paper trading first. Make sure the behavior matches what you see in the backtest on your own setup. If you're serious about building systems like this, I also have a full Freqtrade course where I cover everything step by step, from zero to fully automated strategies running 24 hours a day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next strategy breakdown. I'll see you in the next one.